Hello guys, it's me Paul and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, as you can see sa title, we will gonna talk about Study Now Pay Later program, specifically the Cadet Pilot at Aero. Kasi marami sa inyo, dun sa mga nauna kong videos, yung nagtatanong paano mag-apply sa Study Now Pay Later program, ano yung mga requirements ng Study Now Pay Later program, tapos meron pa sa inyo hindi totally gets yung Study Now Pay Later program. Sa video na to, we will gonna get through the Study Now Pay Later program process, specifically in Cadet Pilot at Aero, so that you will be able to understand talaga yung proseso, no, para klaro sa atin. So the next time Cadet Pilot Aero offers Study Now Pay Later program, then we will have already idea on how to get through that. Without further ado, let's get started. So first, you will go to their website. I will gonna put the website in the description box below so that mapupunta kayo sa page na ito. Yan. So, mapupunta kayo sa page niyan, tapos makikita nyo dyan, become an airline pilot with our sponsored program. And the program is open to Filipino citizens only. You're just basically gonna click the apply now in there. Tapos pagka-click mo dun sa apply now, makakakita ka dun ng form. Yung form na yun, of course, you will have to fill in yung mga information doon. Name, last name, your birthday, your basic information. So, may makikita tayo dito, applications closing on March 15, 2024. So unfortunately, I made this video this December 2024. So it's no longer available. Yeah, I know. I'm so sorry. I know. I'm sad to say, unfortunately, that we will gonna have another opportunity of this in the next 2 years. Kapag minalas-malas pa tayo ng konti in the next 5 years. It's just like a once in a blue moon opportunity. But for sure it will come again. So we do hope that by 2026 they will gonna have this program once again. And I'm doing this video in order for us to be ready dun sa bibigay ni Cadet Pilot Aero na program ulit. Patience is a virtue. Tapos, after nyo ilagay, isubmit yung basic information nyo dun sa form na lalabas pagka-click nyo dun sa apply now, mag-i-email sila sa inyo kagaya nito. So yan, makikita nyo yan, no? So parang sabi niya dyan, "Dear applicant, thank you for applying for the sponsored Cadet Pilot Program Philippines 2022 and will update you in due course." So after nun, mag-i-email ulit sila kagaya nito. So makikita nyo tong email na yan. So sasabihin nila dyan, "We are pleased to inform you that you have been selected for the selection process." So basically, what are we going to do there? We should pass yung mga psychometric assessment na bibigay nila sa atin. Ngayon ang tanong dyan, anong meron dun sa mga psychometric assessment na i-assess nila sa atin? So sabi dito, meron ditong multi-factor personality profile, meron ditong career compass, meron ditong stress management questionnaire. So yung mga to, parang tinitingnan nila yung mga trait mo as a person. They will gonna see there your values, they will gonna see there the principles that you have based on how you prioritize things. So, yung most priority mo is salary than your passion, then I think it's a red flag to them. Click the access your assessment and then, you know, the assessment will be there. Kung napasa mo yung assessment na yon, mag-i-email ulit sila sa'yo. So sasabihin nila dito, "Dear applicant, we are delighted to inform you that after thorough evaluation, you have been approved and selected to proceed to the final stage of psychometric testing." This is basically what you will gonna see when you enter Study Now Pay Later program. These are the things na makikita nyo doon para piliin nila kayo. Kasi they have to screen it. Of course, they don't want to waste their money. Ang iiwasan nila dito, guys, is pipiliin nila kayo, tapos in the middle of the training, you will say no. Parang bibitinin mo sila, iiwan mo sila sa ere. So they have to make sure as well na yung mga taong pipiliin nila is trustworthy as well, as much as they can, as much as possible. Okay, next. Merong nagtatanong, is Cadet Pilot Aero real? Hindi ba yan scam? Baka scam lang yan. Kasi makikita nyo dito sa email nila nito, meron silang proceed to the payment. Sabi, as mentioned before this final round of psychometric testing, candidates are required to pay a non-refundable fee of $300 US. So para sa ating mga Pilipino, malaki to. This is more than 15,000 if I'm not mistaken. Close to 20,000. Kung magbabayad pala tayo ng $300 USD, isn't it a scam? Yun yung tinatanong ng iba. So marami na sa atin, sa mga aspirant pilots, yung dito pa lang nagsistop na. Kasi iniisip na nila that this might be a scam. But I'm telling you right now that Cadet Pilot that Aero is a legit one. How can I say that? Look at this Facebook post of them. This was already 2022 pa when they're starting to negotiate with the Philippine Embassy to the Czech Republic. So this is the manager of Cadet Pilot.Aero, Mr. Patrick, together with then our Philippine Ambassador to the Czech Republic, Mr. Ombra. Ang Cadet Pilot.Aero po ay isang aviation company that offers Study Now Pay Later program for the aspiring pilots in the Philippines sa Czech Republic. So yung training po, idadalhin nila yung mga Pilipino sa Czech Republic. Okay, dun po i-conduct yung mga trainings from ab initio hanggang sa Airbus type rating. These are the first batch of the Cadet Pilot.Aero during this time. So they were in Marco Polo Ortigas, Manila to proceed to the final interview. Ito din yung parang binayaran mo. Kaya merong payment na $300 US. Ngayon, may tanong kayo, bakit meron ako ng mga email na yon? You might probably asking, did I apply for Study Now Pay Later program sa Cadet Pilot.Aero? The short answer for that is yes po. Ngayon, na question there, did you pass the assessments? The short answer for that po is yes. Does that mean, are you in Czech Republic right now? Hindi po. Ako po'y nasa Cambodia as of the moment. I will gonna tell you why I am in Cambodia in the next following video. Bakit po? No. Nakapasa ka naman, na-email ka naman, pero bakit wala ka sa Czech Republic? What did you do? What happened? So basically, what just happened during that time, this 2020, this was 2 years ago, and I am just 20. So during this time, this is April of 2022, mag-18 pa lang po ako ng August ng year na to. So basically, during this time, I am just 17 years old. So I told to my mom na gusto ko pong mag-apply dito sa Cadet Pilot.Aero. And I've told them na once nakapasa ako, magkakaroon ako ng training sa Czech Republic. Pupunta kami doon together with the other cadet pilots. Pero yung mga parents ko, sabi nila, sige lang. Take mo lang. Akala siguro nila hindi ko mapapasa yung mga psychometric testing. Because number one, I'm so young during that. I'm just 17 years old. Guys, during that time, I was so really passionate when it comes to aviation. Pero ang sabi ng mom ko, nung nakikita niyang pumapasa ako, I kept on updating them during that time. So nung nakikita niyang pumapasa ako sa mga psychometric testing, tapos nasa final stage na ako, ang sabi na niya sa akin, parang wag muna. Sabi niya, number one, you're just 17 years old. Sabi niya, you're too young I think for this. Sabi niya, number two, wala tayong kakilala sa Czech Republic. Sa Europe yan. But they were so supportive, guys, I'm telling you. I didn't even put a fight during that time. I just followed my mom. You know, even though how much I was so passionate about this Cadet Pilot.Aero and to really fly as early as possible. Because it's my passion from the very beginning. It was hurtful during those times, I will admit. Ang response ko na lang, okay. I just honored my parents during that time. I just want to tell you as well, guys, that I did not regret what my mom did during that time. And I am not holding grudge of what happened before. If I honor my parents, I honor God. I am now waiting on the Lord's plan. And I'm just trusting the process this time. So, I believe honoring your parents with all the plans that you have is a very good attitude na pwede kayong magkaroon as a pilot. As a pilot, we should be rational. We shouldn't be emotional. And if you know how to submit to your authority, for your captain in a very difficult situation, then that's a very good trait. You will gonna save a lot of lives, guys. Number two, for those parents, I would like to say as well, your support is very much appreciated to us. We know that's impossible. We know that becoming a pilot is somewhat impossible for us, especially sa ating mga hindi naman ganun mayaman. But your support, your support gives us drive to, look for the ways na pwede namin gawin in order for us to reach our dream. Kung nandun siguro ako ngayon sa Czech Republic, then definitely I will not gonna experience what I am experiencing right now with my parents. Because my parents, they're getting older. And sa mga hindi nakakaalam, yung mga parents ko nasa abroad sila simula bata pa lang kami. So ngayong nagkaedad na kami, dun pa lang kami talagang nakukumpleto. And I believe one day, sabi ko nga, my labors will not be put in vain. Nakikita ni Lord lahat itong obedience natin sa parents natin. And time will come. Huwag tayong magmamadali. Gets ko kayo, guys. Yung passion nyo sa aviation, you can do everything, even against all odds. I know the feeling na malayo yung kayang pagdalhan sa yun yung passion na yan. But remember, we should not forget the very timing na meron si Lord para sa atin. If we do things on our own ways and if we do things on our own terms, ilang beses na natin ginawa yun, guys, and then we end up being miserable. Right? So, that's what I want to tell you this time na in making decisions, consider your parents. In making decisions, consider God. And then, believe you me, time will come, it will be paid off. So, if you want to learn more about videos such this, comment on the comment section below and give this a thumbs up and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Again, this is Paul and thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!